G'day everyone. Today we're at the Chowkit markets, which is actually one of the oldest markets in Malaysia, well in Kuala Lumpur anyway. We'll see what's on offer.
So it's about almost 12 o'clock now. This market actually opened, the wet market area in particular opened around 6 a.m. this morning. This is where all the locals and the restaurateurs come to get all their fresh produce. As David said, it is one of the oldest and one of the longest standing and surviving wet markets in Malaysia. So it should be a taste smorgasbord for the senses. So let's see what it looks like.
Some of them yummy shakes, really good. Herbs and tea, especially herbs and vitamins, absolutely massive here in Malaysia, everywhere.
Hello.
That definitely looks interesting, that one.
Chowkit.
Hello. What's this one? Mixed fruit. Looks good.
Through there? Yeah. Terima kasih. The wet market's through the back.
Let's go.
Oh, it's a bit special. I can see mum in that.
What's that?
I said I can see mum in that.
Yes.
They look like freckles.
Hey mate. Hello. What are these called? What's the name? Okay, it's pretty good.
Oh.
Yeah. So they use all this dry stuff
Just
in the
like
cooking.
that.
So this one here is like made out of flour. And this stuff is made from fish. So it's kind of almost like a stock, I guess. So yeah, in abundance.
Get them, but I have to buy oil as well.
Barney's favourite nuts.
Yep.
Put them in the pan with a bit of oil, roast them up.
Salt them.
Used to love that in Bali, didn't we?
I did. Couldn't eat enough of them.
So there's heaps of dry products everywhere for their soups, all that kind of thing. Add flavour, texture. You know, they might have a dry chunk of flour and then they just add that in the soup to thicken it. Stuff like that.
Now we're in the in the wet market proper. Start from the middle.
Yeah. So it's the wet market. You look good, those mangoes. Wow.
Yeah.
Great.
Leaving with a few of those, I think.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, we'll grab a few.
Oh. Just this thing that we.
It's that yam kind of stuff, isn't it?
Halo, halo, Jabu.
Apa?
Guava.
Guava.
Oh, guava. Yeah, right.
That looks good.
Rambutan.
Rambutan. Guava.
Very sweet.
Very sweet. Good. Terima kasih.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Okay.
And in case no one kind of actually realised, the Malaysian language is almost the same as Indonesian. Terima kasih, etc. All of those names is the same here.
Mango.
So it interacts really well.
Mango.
Yeah, it's good.
So many colours and stuff going on in here.
Yeah, there's those other things.
All the market people are really friendly. Going out of their way to give us a taste of everything. Really good. Smells good so far. Fruit section.
Sweet.
Dragon fruit sweet, try.
Merah. Merah. Yeah.
You try.
I know. Yeah.
Lots of apples there. I wonder where they come from. Yeah, if there's any all the way from Tasmania, Australia there. Probably doubt it. Pineapples, lemons. What are you eating? You still eating that mangosteen?
No, it's just the pip. It's not a
Oh, the
mangosteen.
pip.
It was a rambutan.
Rambutan.
Rambutan. Don't step back, dear.
I think custard apples. Maybe a type of watermelon.
Melon, yeah.
Or melon. Unsure. One thing's for sure though, the smells in here, the fruit smells are really, really good.
Hello.
Just like a big fruit salad.
Tiny. So orange.
That was the fruit session. There we're going into the veggie section.
How many chilies, Dave?
It's good. Good thing I like them. Super fresh.
All my jamu ingredients right there.
Yeah, what were your ingredients, Lani?
So ginger, lemongrass, and I think that's
Turmeric. And wasn't there one more ingredient?
Oh, you can put other things in it, like you can put honey in it, lemon juice, apples, vinegar, cider. It's a must, but yeah. Oh, look, potatoes. And some eggs, some shallots. Apa?
Jiring. Jiring.
Jiring. And
Malay lemon.
all right. So makan the inside.
Sambal.
Sambal. Ah,
Sambal.
so pedas. Yeah.
Oh, it's hot, is it?
Yeah.
Ah, right. Spicy.
Chili. Yeah.
Spicy.
Ah,
Yeah.
type of chili.
Rendang okay. Sambal okay.
Ah, okay. Terima kasih. Never seen those before.
The name is udang.
Yeah, udang.
So, eating?
Ikan? Is it ikan? Ikan? Ah, like a shrimp,
Udang.
a prawn, udang. It's a prawn.
Yes,
Yeah,
udang.
prawn. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right.
Udang.
A mini prawn.
Dry prawn.
Yeah.
Hello.
It's just endless in here. So much stuff.
Apa?
We've only just gone
What
into
is
the
this?
fruit and about halfway through the veggie section.
Pinang.
We're just heading into the wet market area now. The fish, all that kind of stuff. It's pretty big.
Prepare your senses. Not for the faint-hearted. Give him a big wave.
So I think partially
It's,
cooked,
Malaysian sapi
unsure.
from here.
Yummy, this cleaver.
Indian. Okay, so Indian beef.
Right.
It's Indian beef. It's that pink one.
Oh, here we go. Cockles, hippies. Oh wow, they're still moving. Little shells.
Doesn't get any fresher than that.
It doesn't. Don't know what that is.
Hello.
Just rows and rows and rows here. Everything's seafood. Fantastic. All fresh.
How many
Getting some vegetables.
eggs do we want?
I don't know, maybe just get 6 to start with. We've got to carry them.
Yeah.
carry them back. It's a little basket of fresh salad stuff.
Oh,
For dinner tonight, well, chilies of course, shallots, lettuce,
and
carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, which look really good.
so all of the veggies, fresh veggies and half a dozen eggs came to about 22 ringgit, which in Australian dollars is about $7. So,
How much in the supermarket at home, you reckon?
probably closer to 50.
Yeah, wow, okay. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
So that was the amazing fruit, vegetable and wet area. We think they do a night market here also. Just have a look at the food part in that now, but pretty impressive, ultra fresh. All the colours, smells,
The good and the bad.
definitely worth a visit. And obviously that is all local shopping, you know, the locals would come and stock up with that stuff. Best prices also.